Venice, timeless, romantic, and endlessly elegant. As one of the most iconic cities in the world, Venice isn't just about gondolas and canals, it's a luxurious sanctuary for those seeking the finer things in life. From exclusive palatial hotels and private water taxi rides to refined cuisine and hidden art collections, Venice delivers a royal experience on every shimmering ripple of the Grand Canal. In this floating city, luxury isn't just an offering, it's a tradition. Luxury stays. Live like Venetian royalty. When in Venice, where you stay defines your experience. The city boasts some of the most exquisite accommodations that blend historic opulence with modern sophistication. Amman Venice, set in a 16th century palazzo on the Grand Canal, Amman Venice is the epitome of grandeur. With frescoed ceilings, silk wall coverings, private gardens, and a Michelin-starred restaurant, it's a royal hideaway where celebrities and dignitaries retreat in style. Belmont Hotel Cipriani. Located on Giudecca Island, this legendary property offers an exclusive escape just minutes from St. Mark's Square by private boat. From Olympic-sized pools to garden view suites and world-class service, this is Venetian luxury at its finest. Gritti Palace, a luxury collection hotel. Once a noble residence, now a glamorous hotel overlooking the Grand Canal, the Gritti Palace features opulent decor, handcrafted antiques, and a spectacular culinary program. Fine dining in the floating city. Venice's culinary scene is rooted in tradition but elevated for the luxury traveler. Whether it's a Michelin-starred experience or a private meal on a canal-side terrace, Venice turns dining into an art quadri. Overlooking St. Mark's Square, this Michelin-starred restaurant serves high-end Venetian cuisine in a setting that feels more like a palace than a dining room. Oro Restaurant at Belmont Hotel Cipriani. With one Michelin star and a name that literally means gold, Oro is as dazzling as it sounds. Chef Riccardo Canella's modern interpretations of Venetian classics are a feast for the eyes and palate. Antique Carampan, a hidden gem that's as exclusive as it is authentic, this upscale trattoria focuses on seafood sourced daily from the lagoon, served in a romantic, old-world setting. Exclusive experiences in Venice. Private gondola rides with serenade. Ditch the tourist crowds and enjoy a private gondola ride, complete with a traditional serenade and a bottle of Prosecco. Glide through secret canals and under historic bridges in true Venetian style. After hours, tour of St. Mark's Basilica. Skip the crowds and enjoy a private tour of this architectural masterpiece after sunset. Stand alone in the glowing basilica as a guide shares its sacred secrets. Murano and Murano VIP tours. Explore the islands famous for glass and lace, with private access to master artisans' studios. Create your own piece or commission a custom work to take home. Venetian mask-making workshop. In an exclusive setting, learn the ancient art of mask-making from a renowned artisan. Craft your own ornate creation using traditional methods and luxurious materials. Shopping the Venetian way. Luxury shopping in Venice isn't confined to big-name brands. It's an immersive experience in craftsmanship and heritage. Atelier Segalen. For handcrafted leather shoes made using techniques passed down for generations. Each pair is bespoke and fit for royalty. Fortuny. Dive into the world of Venice's famed textiles at Fortuny's showroom, where fashion meets art in every luxurious piece of fabric. T Fondaco de Tedeschi. This high-end department store, housed in a historic palace near the Rialto Bridge, features elite fashion houses, rare perfumes, and a rooftop terrace with panoramic views. Venice is more than a destination. It's an escape into elegance. From sleeping in centuries-old palaces to dining beside moonlit canals, every moment is steeped in beauty, romance, and regal charm. Whether you're exploring the lagoon on a private boat or marveling at Renaissance art in a quiet palazzo, Venice invites you to live luxuriously, if only for a while. In this floating city, every experience is a royal retreat.